go and report you to the police and sit down and wait for your arrest. Won't call back chrono by a big boy will be as of Jimmy what answer to bottom for. Ghana your cry. Your obedience guy, you must so in your scour, he only paid to the chi. Yay, Agyapong. Yay, Nankantesa. And Kantesa will be Eeii Visa Fraòd. And to say Ken Agyapong, most of the president. One minute.
Everything the fight between Ken Agyapong and Afia Schwar. Who is the fight and assistance from him as in San Hong? A woman na Afia abetumunchene obekanje kakra gumu na watwe no ba yese bia koduru ne de Afia Schwar ehuredi na Ken Agyapong ekon so teme onum se enche bia na se mu ana eba ni sum se FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation of USA omu abedru Ghana han ba se mba ye no omu abechi Kofi boat and many other people for fraud, money fraud omu fraud amount for America hono game boys omu Ghana ha scam amount for omo abaga se omo start echichi nipa bebrebe na sa news no eba e wesia Afia Schwar nega eso abamu bi Afia Schwar bae no wa report Ken Agyapong and many other gurus a omo Ghana ha no Afia Schwar report to na to FBI sa nkofu e mu de monchi wo mu na Kempon de Afia Schwar the evidence ne fact any proof ni atadress asem no be aduru de any eya yenya in this video ma hwen sem mo Afia Schwar eka na wo so atradwen e de amame ever comment section. I Penyah blog media. Mess was any day. Over like video, no other room. About subscribe button. Now click the notification on the latest update. Now better why you and the mama ever comment section. So baswa. No actually no for so any be action. It is somewhere in March, 14th March morning. And about news we say FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, our more USA. I check Carter, the Ghana government. Our more trim say, and go for and 9B and go for 4B. Abedi fraud enipa ewo America honom amowi no omodwane na omodi nditete no mahu nse nkofo no omo Ghana ha omo Ghana ente omo sire Ghana ban se Ghana ban emo mu kwai na omumra Ghana ha na san nkofo no omo agasa FBI for na agasa emachi wo mu ewo Ghana ha no emo ana Ghana government ayese honorable Accusations black foreign minister no eti asezo Ken me kwai ebre bia ma mbese mo ba na san nkofo bachi umbia e kwanda mo betimi aba eti about 3 days ago and a bad news the FBI for Abedru Ghana, Bedru Yanum. Shatole the Godfather, a Kofi boat. Omo Acheno, Kofi boat in the Eba said, what defrauded amount for to the sum of $100 million. And yes, he kuma $100 million. It was a yes, he kuma. Na enyo no kwa, ombeche he football club owner be also offense so ombeche ne ka ho, ombeche ni pa for. Ah now no they are still in the country. Moving from people to people, hunting them, arresting people here and there. Game boys nyate yadane we esro the sa. Matekwaze ebi mo akwhye de omo 8 minpia want. The game boys mo akra no. Easily got to be precise. Omo 8 minpia omo am show mu say ebia na ya beso mu nyina aka ho bi. Na adu e bae no. Ya mo Shatawole di wo mu. Shata di e ba mu an say Shatawole a Godfather. Kofi boat. Enu any but as me bae no. Shatawole abetresem Shatawole abekasa bebre trying to explain things just say o person what tresem you so no onya criminal o defraud will be an can enya fraud money.
The Kofi boat scammer who tell you it's just business where you go wrong. Kofi boat you go switch computer stop the browse. What do you mean? But it's the world, that is where the world is. When you don't take care, you go do just one wrong business. You just go do one wrong business. That's why I'm careful. That's why I don't move with friends anymore. That's why I don't want to do friends. Boys come house. No. Most of you there, if you say maybe this is my home man, shit, I get them boys. No, I ask my friends. Everybody there in corner. Oh, go meet. And something when it's important. Oh. I ain't ready for somebody to come and tell me, shut up, oh, the music go fit take do like this. No. I know how to sell my music. That is what you guys are not seeing. That's what you guys are failing to see. And you are saying, how is he living this lavish lifestyle? Bro, it's music. Pay attention. I say somebody some foolish guy. Always you want to make a coin. You they are no coin, but your mother. Tell your mother, say mother. Uma me check kwasia. You can't put for there because at this stage they talk say this one browse for and some short I go bad man the music that they do I go just sing Sakawa music, nothing go happen. You think somebody's scared of FBI? Why am I coming out to be scared of FBI? Hey, blame come. Oh yeah, it is kind of no problem. God will judge all of us on this earth. Coffee boats, people they call them scammer. Coffee boats. Hey God, sometimes you put us into difficult situations that we can't even explain to mankind. But I know that you are there to make people know that coffee boat is not a scammer. Oh God, hey coffee boat, hey coffee, hey. Hey, oh Joyce, I make sorry, I make sorry. I feel bad, Charlie. I'm sick of coffee, or I know if you sleep, Charlie, man. Joyce, I make sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, I do watch my siblings right now. Like, I do watch them. Like, I do picture coffee boat and kiddies right now. I know they fit. They call coffee boat scammer. Who tell you? It's just business where you go wrong. Coffee boat, you go switch computer and stop the browse. What do you mean? But it's the world. That is where the world is. When you don't take care, you go do just one wrong business. You just go do one wrong business. That's why I'm careful. Oh, sometimes people they see me like, why, bro? I'm too confident when I'm talking about sister. I know they watch face. Now, Sammy, when is the truth? Is the truth? It's getting out of hand in this country. That they go arrest Kofi boat, then everybody go tag FBI about Shakawale. You know, see up to now, you put it there. You think if I was part of that thing where they happen, they don't come pick me. You did they go jail before? What is this? What at all is wrong with Ghanaians in this country? Like, what is fucking wrong with you people? You won't find something to do. Somebody they try to do something. You won't see in totals of the thing what the person they do. Don't you have things doing, my brother, my sister? Are you okay? Are you okay? What is wrong? What is this attitude for? What is this behavior for? I don't like the things where you people they do where sometimes they keep quiet at all. I don't like them. You understand me? Yeah, they tell you people, if anybody want Danny, make every I don't want to make anybody day my back. Make every Ghanaian go they GRA him back. Maybe
what I say, and I am so surprised. Wale ma ye mo udi e di na wale na bre no chire semu sese. Hey, you ye get so pai afase a pra wada. What I say, if you say pra oni afase ni twa kan do pai afase a enye na sem. E di ka wale man. Oju hudi dia. En kan you wasem ga trebe bi kom. Na wale ni bre chire semu di atam ekra threatened despite nyina e di asemwa. Wale di asem. E di asemwa. Bibi cause one answer de. Eko de wale de uye de. Ase wo miehu bibi. Para say because eba ye nyaba kwe on kasa ye. Abutire kan kasa ye. Ida na wale ma wonku awani abre aye whole live stream tin kasa bebrebe sa. Abere me ne wale nya ayo me nti wale ase. Me nti chata ase. Na se beba ye na busia eno a. Ken Agyapong eso ho TikTok live. Ene Afia Schwar atire mu se ono na Ghana for kwase Ghana for enkwasiafo. Ade nti a wo se onti ase Ghana for no. Obi so de dakro peka se manya sika ni a yemnya butire hwemte ni pegwa sika na efre hinifa ne ye tudinachi ne ye ma the fans ana chemo guda one don one de man kwase fans ana beti see Ken Agyapong so eno che se Kennedy ono so all president edino ono no aye visa fraud Kennedy akwotena America aye visa fraud afọ no abas of president Eddie Afia Schwar report Ken Agyapong to FBI.
I don't know. You can't corrupt me. I'm sorry. I'm a different being. I will boldly go and report you to the police and sit down and wait for your arrest. Yes. And also, when I do that, I also want you to know that make one and reporting. I will boldly do that. And it is a fine. Won ko bo kro no be big boy will be so fa Jimmy got answer to bottom for Ghana yakura ye obiness ka ye musan so ne ska wa hina ni pa to di na chi honorable Enkantesa obi Eeii Visa Fraòd eti se Ken Agyapong mo so mo be the president mon mene se ono na sha se de no di nya ska obi na sika ya nwe ni sika na se de ya ne se obekwa ko wiade na wo ba wa be donation wonya ya donation na paper se emebi atwam na yoku kendila wonya ya donation wi a na paper se emebi atwam na we ye kromfo wonya ya donation wi a no mo refi se we a fraud boy wonya chairman we a kromfo Ghana pe and ya se na meti a cha he a FBI forward cha here some tro man some tro the next group of people are omonye fraud for ni we are metro mo sika na moti Ghana na motor stolen cars mi be di money pa because ya mi anya dia mama Ghana are starting any bad name in the international world. And now what do certificate to be here and say baby ya fie na yen si for ma mo guye momo kakrebino mo guye nyina anima se say ye nyina ya opportunities ya mama kwan and 58 million no neka entimi nsi hospital Labadi hospital na do awaye ni ti se ebugu ye no sa $58 million no neka entimi peja sa hospital ni ti wo neka entimi si maternity ward ama man omu wo kolebu omu gu form no omanya baby ada na true man of God, and I had to say this, but you were a wicked man. Who you nipa born here with your phone they do any more kind. Pentecost for a whole village. Pentecost for a village in a Kowahin. Sebo Omo a whole Pentecost village. Who do I am the so almost 87 million in the sea, but 58 million cities and Tini Sidai. Now me pacho your problem in Ghana a cathedral now. I have said it, I will say it till the day I die. The National Cathedral was the most stupid, the most foolish, the most unintelligent, stupid decision ever conceived in any man's head. National Cathedral, Makana Meka Bibi Opia Watsuna sa meeting Asibiano, not Jinimu no, Adjino Epo no, Yabia Jina baby. You think I'm going to sit here and say, sir, and ma, Kokonfonoche, Nipa Gugu form, Ayami for Gugu form. We don't have hospitals, we don't have schools. What the fuck are we doing with a cathedral? Once all of you are thieves, and Sophie, when you are my comfort, Monina, Mojin say, Mudia. Obi we are there no mabia. And friend, Ayana Mujan said that I'm doing Asikan one dance here. It's my testimony. And your seed, and your mind is sick. And the president, the man, one just here. And as a country, we are demanding for accountability. And to suffer to me better say when they be president. Say Nyameka Chelsea be never president. I didn't Nyamen country. What we are so for no? I didn't Nyameka Chelsea be the president. Now we are president na Kenya. Ah? Neka wa ya president. Mumusa so for no na mshan kom. We be president say. I didn't Nyamema wa we president. Now we Nyameka sa chira no. And ko be kasa chira direct. Now with the lack of knowledge, my people perish, and then me and the decided mamunina, including the presidency. My husband is in love with my intelligence. I'm already at on store. Nyan Sunday, I'm found what will be. And now my mini view. Jimmy, oh, my Jimmy, and our burial. and you $58 million. And think Abayan de Waya Sikana na. Me Busau, Apostle. I appointed was a Fosika, and think I say that Kabuja Cathedral and yes, one now. A dang, Canafo, a dang. Or Bronia, what the religion bar brooch or the prayer Ghana. And now so for the juicy pastors, Mamu. I'm a Christian. I'm not just a Christian. I am a reverend minister. Mako Bible School, across certificates. And I'm speaking to you with the wisdom of God. I make a phone call election where we say, so for me, Jahan, and no, I can't was your son. I don't see no my way calling him. I don't see, I know my way calling him. Nanky and one is saying, I'm making $58 million. $58 million choppable dollars. Now come on, Jimmy Crab for $1 million. Maybe I'm for 2 and Assemba, and come up with Yabramo. We have phone, we have phone. Number Quaco, we have phone. You will go and account for it. Period is on period is on period. 17. Matches Sikana D. Most sorry and a man of God. Let's praise God. God is doing wonders in our. Yeah, being like you cheer. Movie animal be chair so taxes. Now you cheer. I call for but down for. I'm standing you with my full chest. Everybody that was on board of that 58 million, you have no shame, and you need to account to us our money. Somebody could hear dance here was somebody, and I'm calling because you have a J. You have a J. Hospital. John, Jessica, John, J. So, old John knows why this can have them the mail. Utisema could so one discount. Why was so about we Osaya no bunko to jenya nkwasi afonya de omo say guso no omo bompa yema won say Donald Trump ye bi do mama won say Donald Trump ye bi sa na be ji ko jiska no so ba je siasem you're going to praise that and me we do omo say gu apampam entu so ya nkwasi ade kwa the whole team because of course yes people you are supposed to be praying for, they are praying for you in the name of their pastors. And those are what they know. Sanitary pardon, go on the gym. What the angels can about them the mail. No, about one kind Bible. Obia when you was catching woman and said, go up on them. So our mama was John. What you did, John, and how power? Who did John? I mean, who did John about the John and Hammy? Because old John, the how? What the ano? Many the entire so spelling JOHN because of the JON. What John and how? We are John. We are Joe woman years to come. Over to Penyah. Where cry when you're saying no. We almost have finished so and I take board. So who say? Them and shame them. So that your friend will meet in the Asia won't call. We have to name them and shame them. All the pastors involved in the National Cathedral, you should be ashamed of yourselves. After the you can't say pregnancy mortality, you suffer and will Ghana. And that time was war. Baby na school 40 years. Now to be called snap table. I better discuss it. Cathedral, I'm even as I am speaking now, is that our problem? Problem say Ghana National Cathedral is a priority. National Cathedral they deserve 58 million. But my penny the dear mamma some ya so for. Or some can be abjene. Now one name some can Jimmy abjene. That is it. Because of my penny the match say we see National Cathedral no me do nyame so for bi e di nyame suro nyame onkoku bi na no ka kire ni say Mr. President asoy da ni here but the here say see no e hospitals the here say see and see be renovate comfort noche the here say see be expand this Unai hospital Tamale teaching hospital ni anko ha Enka be kona dwene mu. Enka be kona dwene mu. Na mo no you call yourself men of God. But you are men of your stomachs. Net worth na mko tena ase. Na mko di 58 million. And na mko come se hunu actually. When Tinia Kancha president say, "Unsure nurses and doctor salary no really year." President, Jessica 2 million. Never increase his salary. When Tinia. Papa Penyah for mu true nyara fudwene. Papa Penyah for $58 million. $58 million. Yeni wo yentimi yanto foundation. $58 million yanto foundation. Na say politician yedi $58 million emma no ntimi mu ho akonta minua Ghana ni kade ne be ka.
So when it's someone Ken Agyapong, so for us, Ken Agyapong and FBI are concerned. What is your view? What is your take on that? Draw your mom comment section. How you been